Hello friends, my name is Anjali Patel. In this video, I am going to discuss about Leetcode question number 5, that is longest palindromic substring. So what the question says, a string S is given and we have to find out the longest substring inside that, which is palindromic. Okay, so let's understand this. So I have a string S equal to BAT. So if I take the substrings which we can form, so B can be a one substring, A, B, A, and D. These all are palindromic in nature in itself. If we take the one element, it is always palindromic. Okay. What does palindromic means? Means if I write a substring like this and do the reverse of it, then a string and reverse of that string is same. Then the string is palindromic. So if we see, we can see that here this substring of length 3 is palindromic, which is longest. So our answer will be BAB. So what will be our approach? So our approach will be that start from middle, start from middle and expand to the extreme. Expand to extreme. So what will be my approach? My approach will be that we will traverse the every element in S. Every element, let's traverse with pointer I and consider it as the middle element of the palindrome. So let's consider B as middle element. If the left of it and right of it elements are present, then we compare those elements and check if they are forming the palindrome or not. For this case, there are no elements, so we will consider B. So B in itself is palindrome. For A, we will consider A here and we expand one left side and one right side. Then both are equal. It means up to from here to here it is palindromic. We will store it and again check. So in right side there is A, but in left side there is nothing. So we will not go beyond it. Then consider B. So if we consider B, here A. In left hand side there is A and in right hand side there is also A. So it is also palindromic, but the length is similar to the previous one. So there is no need to update it. Okay. Okay. So this thing cover the palindrome of the odd length. Odd length. What about the even length? For even length palindrome, what we will do? We will consider mid element as the two character which are similar. Let's say if we have even length palindrome, let's say A B B A, then these two elements at the middle should be similar. So what we will do in traversing? In traversing, consider ith element as middle and for even length, for even length, we will consider ith and I plus 1th element as middle. and find out up to what extreme we can expand. Up to what extreme we can expand. Right? Okay. So let's code it. So first of all, if there is no element present, if a string is empty, so if s dot size equal to 0 or s dot size equal to 1, return s, return s. Otherwise, we will traverse. So for int I equal to 0, I is less than s dot size comma I plus plus will traverse. Okay. And first of all, let's initialize our answer. Let's say our longest palindrome will be from index 1 to 2 or index I to j. So I will write in a vector integer palindrome index. Palindrome index. Let's initialize it with 0, 0. Palindrome index. It will be 0, 0. Right? So first of all, take the ith element as middle and find out up to what we can expand it. Right? So we will write the current points vector int current points equal to up to where it can be expand function. Expand function, take the string and ith element as middle. Right? If and if the extreme of the current point which are coming. Let's say we have example B A B A D, this one. So here its index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and my index are 0, 0 means this one is palindrome at up to where we have checked. Then if we pass this B, then its extreme will come 1 and 3. So when we will check that what is the size, so 3 minus 1 plus 1, so its size is 3, which is greater than 0. So size is greater than 0. So we will update the extreme of palindrome. Extreme of palindrome. Right? So we will do this thing. If current points 1 minus current points 0 is greater than palin index 1 minus palin index 0. Then we will update. We will update like palin index 0 equal to current points 0 and palin index 1 equal to current points 1, right? And we will do similar thing for the even palindrome. So for even palindrome, we have to check if I plus 1 is less than or if I plus 1 is less than s dot I, right? And s of I equal to s of I plus 1. Then what we will do? We will do this similar thing, right? I am copying and pasting here, and here I am passing I plus 1, right? Okay, and when we come out of it, then we will return s dot substring which we will start from palin index 0 and go up to palin index 1 minus palin index 0 plus 1, right? Now we have to write the expand function which will return this current points. So now write the expand function, how we will write it. So vector int, it will be the return type, and write the expand function which have string s, int I and int j. So we will find out the size of this int n equal to s dot size, while I is greater than equal to 0. This will be the base condition, and j is less than n, and a condition that s of I equal to s of j. Then what we will do? We will expand the extremes. So if we are expanding the extremes, so if the element in the middle are equal, then in left hand side we will move left, and in right hand side we will move right. So I will go I minus minus and j will go j plus plus, right? And at the end, when both become not equal, it means the element at I and j are not equal, at that point we will return the extreme which were just before that, right? So we will return I plus 1 comma j minus, right? So we will return this. So now if I run it, okay, there is some error, is dot size. Okay, here this parenthesis. Okay, it is has been accepted, right? Now if I submit it, okay, it has been submitted. Now if I talk about the time complexity of it. So if I talk about the time complexity, so what I am doing, I am traversing the whole string for one time. This for loop at line number 16. Then I am calling expand function. There This expand function again is traversing up in both sides from the middle, left side and right side up to the length of string S. Right? So what will be your time complexity? It will go up to the n square, where n is the length of the string which is given. So I hope all of you have understood this question. Please like the video, share among your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.